Hey guys, Chip with Entertainment Pros here. Every week we get calls from people that can't figure out, hey, my system's not working, my TV's not working, or whatever. So I got a couple tips here that hopefully help you out in that situation. First, this TV has no picture, no sound, no nothing right now. Not every TV has an LED indicator when you turn them on or turn them off or something like that. Most of them has something. This one, we turn it on, has an LED indicator there. We'll have a splash screen there. Up here is going to tell you what input is supposed to be on. All this verifies that the TV is plugged in and turned on. Next, we go over to the cable box. The cable box needs to be turned on. This cable box will have a blue indicator there. Press that. Now my cable box is on. You notice the display changed a little bit. So now we go in here, we look, hey, we got cable. If you got cable picture and no sound, sound and no picture, or you just have a guide and there's no actual channel information, you may need to reset your cable box. So find the power cord in your cable box, unplug the power, plug it right back in. It's going to take about 10 minutes. It's going to do a reboot procedure, and when it does that, turn it back on. Can't rush the process, so might as well just wait. But when you turn it back on, your cable should work. If it doesn't, you may call the cable company and have them ping your cable box. If you notice your Wi-Fi isn't working, find your cable modem, which has a threaded connector just like your cable box going into the back. That's how you identify it as a cable modem. Find the power cord on it, disconnect the power, wait a second, plug it right back in. Those take 2 to 3 minutes to reboot, and that should get your Wi-Fi going again. Again, if that doesn't do it, you may need to call your cable company. When your TV screen gets some fingerprints or dust all over it, only use approved products like this microfiber cloth and approved screen cleaner. Don't use any household cleaners or anything like that that can damage the screen. Spray the cloth, not the screen, wipe in a circular motion, get those fingerprints off. Sometimes takes multiple applications. And the last thing, when you're using all your electronic devices, your tablets, phones, all that kind of stuff, and you want to sanitize them or get the bugs off them and keep them clean, don't use any of your standard household cleaners. Make sure you get approved cleaners. Your tablets and phones have anti-reflective and anti-fingerprint coatings on them. Ammonia and some of the harsher chemicals like that, harsher cleaners, they can actually damage those coatings on there or remove those coatings. Make sure you're using an approved coating for your device to take care of your device. Make sure it lasts a long time. Hope you find some of these tips helpful, and stay safe. Chip with Entertainment Pros, we make staying home fun.